you call this? What's up, mamas? Welcome back to another video, guys. It's been so long. I have my retainers in because the bitch tooth was getting crooked. Yeah. So I'm like, I haven't been wearing my containers consistently. So once I started seeing her in the back start shifting, going to the back like Rosa, oh no, I put these retainers back in. But today I'm gonna show y'all how to go from this to this. I'm going to show y'all how to go from being basic to a baddie. So today I'm about to go get my hair done. If I'm not mistaken, the girl's name is Shalia B. I hit her up with a last minute appointment. I'm actually about to be on my way there now. This is my real hair, guys. I need to get it braided up. And I'm going to be putting in a 38-inch blonde wig. Whew, that was a lot. Of course, it's a frontal. Of course, it's by Dare to Have Hair. And of course, I'm going to slay the out of it, okay? But anyways, I'm running late to my appointment, so I think I gotta, you know, kind of end this conversation with you guys until we get there. All right, so I'm sitting in my car waiting for her, but literally like on my way here, y'all, because I was rushing, I scraped the bumper of my car to like the cement on like where my apartment is. So if y'all don't know, I moved. Oh my god, that was like random, but I moved. I'm gonna be doing an apartment tour, so yeah, that should be really fun. But anyway, like the garage where I parked at, like it was tight and I was trying to back out, and then like I scraped the side, and mind you, I already seen my bumper on the other side lifting up. Like that is so ratchet and ghetto. And I swear none of this stuff started happening to my car until I was talking to Lowe's, and he was like,
you need to get a new car. I'm gonna get you a new car.
Talking about a new car, it's like the universe is rushing me to get a new car now, because that just happened. I can't. No, I wiped it off. It doesn't even look that bad, but still you can see like a little bit of the scrapes on there. So I'm just so fucking pissed about that.
Yeah, like you cannot be a baddie riding in a hoopty.
It's not a hoop. My car is not a hoopty, but I definitely need a new car. Remember I told you I had this car for like a really long time, so it definitely is time for me to get a new car. I had it for like almost 4 years now, or almost 5 years. I think it's almost 5 years. Yeah, so it's time for a new car. But I'm so blessed. I remember I told y'all my story time about my car, so this car has done me well. I brought it from Delaware to Atlanta, so I'm blessed and I'm grateful that my car has not given me any problems since I had it. So I'm blessed, I'm thankful. But anyways, so y'all, like I'm really thinking about, like, I need to get my boobs done. My boobs got so big after my baby that it's definitely time for me to get them smaller again. So I did have a breast reduction. All my weight goes to my boobs, so your girl needs surgery, period. Like I'm ready to lay on that table and get it done, because like I gained so much weight to my boobs and I don't like it. Like I'm just tired of it. So that should be coming up soon. And what else? That's really it. I'm just waiting for her to get here. Oh, and I'm gonna put the code for y'all to get 10% off of Dare to Have Hair. When I tell y'all this is the best hair, I swear to God, like I swear on my daughter, like this is one of the best hairs that I had with as many hair companies as I worked with. Dare to Have Hair is the best. Like I said, I've been wearing her hair since I was 16 on and off, and I love her hair. She's so sweet, she's so humble. I've always looked up to her. Like I remember when we were younger, she used to always come to the salon in Delaware, and she was just such a boss. Like she's one of the reasons why I wanted to be an entrepreneur, because she just carried that shit so well, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, y'all, I know I'm rambling. I really want small boobs. Like I don't even know what size I am. Like I don't even want that type of negativity. Like when I go to the mall, and actually I need to go to the mall and get sized, but I want to get Rihanna bras too, but she's always out of stock with the ones that I wear. Like I'm gonna get me a granny bra called the Minimizer. I actually wore that bra when I was in high school because my boobs were big before I got my reduction, and it's a granny bra, but honey, it makes them boobs look small if you got big tits. That's the bra to try. It's not sexy, but hey, I don't care. I just feel like I'm thick at the bottom, you know, and my boobs are big, and like the boobs kind of take away from my thickness at the bottom, if that makes sense. Like the ass is fat, like hips are there, thighs there, and then you just got big ass titties. Like I want fat ass, flat stomach, hips, and 2 bee stings. I don't want big titties. I don't like them. Like, it's just too much. I just don't like it. I feel like smothered and I feel super uncomfortable. But enough rambling. I think this is her that just texted me. So it's installed, and now we just about to put, you know, this shit is so long. I keep sitting on it. But this shit looks so fire, y'all. I can't even show it up in this look. But I'm about to sit under the dryer. Am I sitting under the dryer?
No, I'm gonna iron it out.
Oh, okay, she about to flat iron it out. But like, look how long, like, I can't even really show y'all. Like, this is so freaking long. She wasn't expecting me to drop this off.
Period.
But yes, I'm about to be a bad bitch, y'all, because she about to bring me back, because I'm telling y'all, I was not feeling myself these couple of days. Like, I was wearing my natural hair, and I just was not feeling myself. But this is about to bring me back, and y'all know to use my code to get 10% off a Dare to Have Hair. Y'all know this is like the top hair right now. And make sure if you're in Atlanta, you check Sia out. I'm gonna put all her information in the description box. And we about to do it together, bitch. Like, stop playing.
Period.
Like, I can't even really show. I gotta step back.
Period.
But y'all, she did amazing. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box. Make sure y'all saw her I sent y'all. This shit is so flat. Like, bitch. What kind of look do you call this? Like, what do you? Okay, guys, like, look at this. Like, this hair looks so freaking cute. And Sia is actually on her way to the house because we're going out tonight, and she's gonna take some pictures of me. But I'm gonna put the code to get 10% off this lovely hair. You can actually get 10% off whatever hair off of daretohavehair.com. Like, y'all, this is beautiful. Like, and on my lips, I have new Shade by Jade lip gloss called Influencer, which will be dropping October 10th. So make sure you guys follow the cosmetic page so that you guys can keep up on all the updates. Insert some pictures in this video. But I missed y'all so much. I can't wait to do more videos for you guys. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm just about to go out. I have not been feeling like myself. Like, today I had a meltdown because, like, I just been looking like a mess. Like, my natural hair, I just wasn't feeling it. But like, now I feel like myself. I feel good. I feel like, you know, bad girly, like baddie. So this is how you go from being basic to a baddie. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Once again, I'm Jade, and I love you, mamas. Look at this girl. This white girl, she is getting it, okay? Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Like, I never seen a white girl dance like this before. Look at that girl. And look at her. She milli rocking. Ooh. Ooh, she's coming for you. She's looking for you. She gonna break out. Yeah. Ooh. Pop. Oh, shit. Look at her. She got them long braids, too. Don't play with her. Actually, I'm just watching her do this while I'm waiting to get my hair done. Oh, shit. Hey, okay.